Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Rosado, founder of Simply Her, and today I wanted to talk about our June products. So every month I get asked a lot of questions as far as what are the products and how do I use them. So we normally send out our newsletters every month so that you know what you're getting for each package in each month. We send out beauty tips, health tips, and we talk all about the products for that current month. So I also thought the videos showing you how to use everything would be also extremely helpful. Yay! So let's get started. For June, we've got Little Tree Bentonite Clay. What I really like about this is it just gets all of those impurities out. It is really strong, and so I really go light when I'm using it. I like to sometimes work both the sheet mask and then do the bentonite clay, but the bentonite clay you can use right after your normal cleansing routine, which is just fine. With this, because it's so strong, you really only need to do a little bit. Apply a thin layer. I have it all over my fingers. This is the good stuff. You are definitely going to feel tingling when you're applying this. It'll just tighten, 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 and your skin will just feel like, hello! Which is really good. I really enjoy leaving it on for a good 10 minutes just so that it can really get into my skin and pull out what it needs to. So I'm gonna probably set it for about 10. Again, you can range anywhere between 4 all the way to 15. It just depends upon your skin. If you have sensitive skin like me, I kind of like right in the middle where it's about 10 minutes. I feel like it's done, it's what it needed to do, and then I'm ready to rinse. So now that your bentonite clay mask is on, you can use this time to relax, or if you're like me and just finished your coffee, you can figure out something else to do. Let's see what my Pandora radio stations are. Sometimes you've got to go through those. You know, maybe it was like a vibe you were feeling at the moment, but now it's like, no. Let's see. Ooh, first one, In Sync Holiday Radio. Keep it? Yes. Definitely. Of course. Classical for studying radio. That's a good one. You need the dun, 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 dun. You know, it's good. Despacito. Despacito. We're gonna delete that. Mariah Carey Holiday. It's like I can't get rid of her. Like Mariah Carey is Christmas. She stays. Murder, She Wrote Radio. I think that's because I want reggae. We'll leave that. Noche Buena Mix Radio. We'll delete that. Osuna Radio, we're keeping that. That's my workout station. Pentatonic's Holiday Radio. I have a lot of holiday. I think I love Christmas. Well, I don't think. I do. I love Christmas. See, as you notice, all under here where it's a lot darker, it means it's still a little wet, but all around here, it's all dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse, get all of that off. Yes. So we rinsed off. Just do a little pat dry. So soft. So there you have it. Little Tree's lavender and rosehip bentonite clay is featured in June's summer package. So if you have any questions or to let us know what you think, comment below.